Welcome back to the channel. Here we're on the Bamboo Lab P1S, and as you can tell, we are printing a multi-part print. This is actually Alucard's sword from the Castlevania series. We are putting a smaller version on the P1S just to see what we can get quality-wise out of the printer at the moment. It looks like it is currently in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different pieces, and then these pieces down here, these are the insert pieces that will hold everything together, so you can either glue it or use those pieces. So if you want to see what it looks like when it's all said and done, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.